How's the bear bell going?
Sounds good. I heard you coming.
You
You ready?
Rain's getting heavier.
All right.
That'll be good. We'll do that. Maybe we'll
head back.
Have a walk in the rain.
See if we can surprise something. Something big and brown.
What?
like a poop.
Yeah.
What happened?
Daddy's just talking. It's really raining.
It's really raining.
Why do you guys need an umbrella? I must have an umbrella.
Come on, for 1 second. Cool. Stay there, Ab. Ooh. Here you go, Mommy.
Why do you do that every time?
So that I can link it to the video. Make it seem as though the camera is seamless. You know? Alright.
I'm glad that this thing's waterproof.
Yeah, except for the SD cards which are in my pocket, not in the bag.
I bet the kitties don't know they can't go in the rain.
Kitty Zoom can't go in the rain, yeah.
No problem for me.
Cool, kids. We'll head in, right?
Yep.
I got the corn.
Corn. Want me to grab a coffee from the car?
Yeah, I can do that.
I got it.
Hey.
Can we do it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I see them. They have their mouths open.
Yep. Just going yawn.
Oh boy.
What?
That mama bird's gonna come and get us.
Mm.
Why does it look like the Jeep's on fire?
Cool, right?
Mm-hmm. The all-new Jeep. Slugs!
I'm glad that my camera makes noise because whenever I turn it on, the bear could just run away with a shaking butt. And that's good.
What are we doing today?
Going to set up the new trail cams and get the old ones and see what we got. We already got a big surprise.
Oh, yeah, we did. We did a little preliminary run in the rain, and now the
Hello.
rain has stopped.
Hi, and we're gonna go for a hike. And we're so glad that you're here today. Aren't we?
Ah, we are. Hello.
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 You've been dehatted.
I have the craziest luck with this hat.
You have the bear bell ringing?
I don't have it ringing yet because I feel like we're pretty close to camp. He probably knows we're here. You know?
Yeah.
Hey, Daddy, first stop. We gotta put something back in it.
100% right. Thank you for the catch. Thank you so much. So, blank's going in.
Blank. How funny.
What you doing?
I'm just taking a video.
Mm-hmm.
All right. All set.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll.
So we can't afford music anymore in our videos, so we just have to make noise. Dun, 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 dun.
Why can't we make music?
I was just joking. Oh, here. That's part of our music. Dun, 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 dun.
Copyright infringement. Copyright infringement violation.
Is this really called a bear bell, or did you just get a bear?
Yeah, it's a bear bell.
Why
See how it has a little bear on it?
I'm so around the
And what's this?
Bears.
Yep, I'm all geared up, right?
Yeah.
When you share your land with a couple of black bears, that's what you gotta do.
I'm sorry, I just wanted to do this.
Give me the help. I'll hold it. Here.
Thanks. So sorry.
No worries.
I'll take it right back from you this time. Blank's going in. Right?
Blank, go in it. Sorry to make fun of you.
It's okay. Everyone on YouTube knows now
Oh no.
that you're a daddy mocker.
Well, we'll put music over this, right?
We can't afford music, so we're gonna have just the things we say.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Who's leading? Mummy.
Yes. This is a bear bell. I bet you guys have heard of that. That's a bear spray. That's it. But
This will also get really good pictures when we're doing laser tag, because we'll be like, this is where we spend a lot of our time.
Yeah, it's a really good point, Mommy.
yeah, that's a really good point. I'm keeping my voice up so that the camera can really hear what I'm saying, because usually it's just like, blah, blah.
Thank you guys, that was very supportive. Goose.
Mommy, can I get a sight line look?
Let's see.
You look that way and see what you think. Looks pretty good.
Looks pretty
I'll hold
good.
this for you.
It's pretty good. Maybe straight up on that. Maybe I'll go a little that way. Catch the trail a little. Yeah, get a little. That was good. I think we're going to Yeah. All right, see what we think. Yeah, this is down right here. Yeah, right. We're good?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, cool. You know, I'm on.
And he's easy to get to. He's right off the trail.
And now do I go with the card switch?
Yep.
And then we'll do metal parts.
Yep. That's where we're going now. Someday we gotta get up there. Remember that was where we first put the trail camera?
Yeah, you're right.
But as we can see during the summer, it's pretty. Yeah. Big cook here. I know it's not the biggest hit on the channel, but it's good for us to try. Oh, big those berries are.
Yeah.
These look so juicy.
They
look fake.
look like a cold. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. See? No, I'm not sure if we might miss
I think we missed it.
I don't think so. I don't think I'm gonna eat. Yeah, foxgloves.
Oh, look, funberry.
Oh, yeah.
That's weird.
Okay. Yeah, nice.
There's a lot of interesting, like, ornamental stuff in here that we don't haven't seen. Now we're going to go into the magical forest.
All right.
Yeah.
And we're going to find a spot for the camera.
The next one.
So what do you guys think in terms of number of trail cams? Are we starting to get closer, or do you feel like there's so much of the property that we don't even capture?
I think we're closer. If we find that this only, I mean, the thing is, this didn't ever only get deer. This has gotten some interesting, everything's gotten interesting things. I would
Yeah.
love to, like, I think we have enough. I think we could cycle them around in places, but I just don't know what I would want to sacrifice yet.
Yeah, but the most epic thing is like when you saw that whole thing of coyotes.
That's a good point, Ab.
So
And that happened across 2 of the cameras. So
yeah,
like,
so those are like in first place. So
I do think they're in first place, but I think the pond one is starting to become first place for me because he's, what do you got?
I just kicked a stone and I didn't know what it was.
Oh, because you're starting to see really cool animals coming to visit the pond.
Yeah.
And
I'm
that,
open to changing where on the pond we have it.
what's that?
I'm open to changing where on the pond we have it, but I think the pond always needs its own.
Yeah, I agree.
And I
yeah,
think-
but I actually think that the other 2 cameras are a little better because we find new animals in the pond one, but imagine a whole pack of coyotes. That is a really rare thing.
Yeah, that was cool.
So I kind of feel like that's first place.
And then we have the other ridge,
Yeah.
and we have Otto's, and we have Magical Forest, and we have up in here. And that's not even including if we were interested in doing anything on the edges of our property to try to catch people coming or going, or things coming or going from various parts. It's a lot. you know?
Yeah. Maybe a couple more.
Yeah.
No cough. No cough, please. Just some wet mud. No coughing, please. Just some wet mud.
For our viewers, that is a quote from I Think You Should Leave, the Netflix hit. The second season will be available on Netflix.
Really?
Yeah, brought to you by Netflix. Are we thinking up in here? Do we want
Yeah.
to try to get closer to this end in the magical forest, or do we want to get way over there where we...
I think let's walk the way we would go and then up, avoid the fox, and get into the magical forest that way.
Right. Okay. Feel free to holler directions if you feel
Like the regular route that we go, you know, like so it feels like a natural...
Right.
Thing without any camera. Don't worry. Because I bet you guys know where the fox is, and I bet you know where the fox isn't.
Look at how well you can see that trail.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Right.
I think we go up.
Like here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think where this down vine, like branches here,
Yeah.
is where we typically go. But yeah, I see that path. You're right. How you doing, bud?
I thought that was something else. I'm worried
What about?
what that was.
Oh, it was just a stick. You're stepping on sticks.
Yeah, but I thought we should get the ferns out. What's this? A log?
Mm-hmm.
Roots. I... Come.
Okay, so here we are
The magical forest.
in the magical forest.
Oh, that's thing that we've ever seen.
This is pretty much the far edge of it.
Yeah.
Where did I find that salamander?
Yeah,
There's a clear trail here.
yeah,
There's a lot of opening here. These are all trails, I would say.
yep.
Do you want to do something higher up and aim down and see what we get, or right on the trail? And
I think right on the trail is going to be our best bets because of the...
So I would say this tree
Looks good.
is sticking out in either direction. So do you want to aim it that way, or do you want to aim it this way?
Ooh,
That's pretty good, right?
yeah,
That's a cool look, isn't it?
yeah. Are you going to use a tiny one or the big one?
I'm going to try to use the big one.
Okay.
How do you feel about that?
I feel very cool about that. Do you need any help from us?
No, I'm good, thank you. You know, adjustment tips and things.
Mm-hmm. Might need to be lower, right? Just based on the size of the animals.
Yeah. Otherwise, I'll see something. You can
Like
only
down there, good?
You will only
Lower
see
still?
What do you think?
Oh, me? Sorry, I didn't realize. It's hard for me to tell because I'm standing down. This seems good, borderline too low, but I'm betting it's good, borderline too high.
Well, let me be a bear.
Okay.
And let me be a coyote. You
I'll
see?
be a deer.
I think I've seen it. But I think if Otto's has taught us anything,
I think lower is better.
yeah.
I was trying to pretend I'm a deer since you were a coyote.
Okay.
No coffee, please. Just some wet mud. Okay, let's go.
You want to look out for salamanders.
I think this is where we found them. Yep, we found them here, I think. After this, can we test the camera? After you're done?
What animal are you going to be, Ab?
Deer. What are you going to be?
A coyote.
Okay.
And I'm going to chase you. Ooh. That cute little deer looks delicious.
Hold back there for a second. Alright. I think we're good. You want to take a look and see what you think?
Okay, you be a deer.
Okay. You go. Go, you're a coyote.
Hi! In what world?
How's it look, Mommy?
Yeah, I think this will be good.
Good, right?
This is such a well-worn path.
At the tree, it seems too low. But if you take a
But
step back, you look at
The
it.
tree is up higher than the path.
Yeah.
I think it's a really good idea to bring here an animal.
I think you're hilarious.
Do we want side-to-side triggers on?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did that already, so we're good. Okay.
Meep. Oh, meep. Meep.
All right.
All right. Next,
I'll get that, Mommy.
the far, far end of the property.
Yeah, with our old faithful.
Oh, really?
That's all that's left now, yeah.
Oh, boy.
For auto camera?
Yeah. Which we said we would swap out for one of the new ones so that it could trigger. But I don't want to give up any of the spots we've chosen.
Yeah, we'll see how those spots are.
Why don't you want the one that your mom got here?
I do, I have it right here.
Who lives in that hole?
I wonder.
I'd be careful, baby. Something could come out.
I think it's a moose.
Oh, boy.
It's a moose.
What do you got there, bud?
Eating some interesting stuff. You see these little petals?
Yeah, what are those?
There's some kind of little nut or something. Rain's picking up.
Okay.
There's some kind of little nut or something that something is shredding sitting at one of the bases of these trees. But I don't know where they're coming from. We got a log over here that's pretty chewed up.
Wet. No coffee, please. Wet mud.
Look at that. Somebody's been digging in there.
I've seen many stuff. I think that's a beaver. I think I've been seeing lots of other stuff too. Down by the, not in here quite.
Since the rain's picking up,
Head back down to camp.
let's head back down instead of going to Otto's, and then we'll do another trip
Yeah.
once the rain pauses.
Keep them together.
Look at that.
Oh,
What?
I think a duck's just in our pond.
Really?
Yeah.
Something landed in it?
Yeah, I saw.
Oh, cool. Maybe we can see it.
Oh, okay. A present!
Keep our voices down actually now so we don't scare the ducks off. Ooh, you okay?
Oh,
You okay? Okay? You good?
yeah.
Okay. You're good.
Little bean tumbled down.
You'll miss that. Whoa.
It's slippery.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I slept.
Want to hold mommy's hand?
I got hooked here.
You got hooked?
I got hooked to a branch.
No.
The hunter's hunting me.
Oh, a hunter is not hunting you. Although they should, because you would be delicious.
Yeah, actually, wait a minute. That hunter's hunting her.
No.
I'm a baby deer. I took You're all baby deer. 6.5 year old. Baby
Watch
deer.
the stump there. You see that?
Old deer.
What?
That would be a very old deer.
Mhm.
Really? Yeah, but in real life, baby
Do you remember hanging out on this tree?
Yeah. What's this?
Right? You're okay. You want to take the camera so I can help her? Sorry. Did you get up? We're gonna be a little steady down. Good.
Actually, this is now in my video.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So that's it for a little while, folks. Bye. Well, yeah, I got
Oh, I went the old way.
It's okay. Just down at the base here, be careful. There's standing water more than you expect.
We all have our good boots.
Yeah. If we ever needed an alternative, this would be a good
Yeah, that's a good spot. Too.
alternative clearing.
I think that's where we think she came down, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
there.
Yeah.
The first time we came there.
All right. Raining pretty good, bud. Take my hat and run. Ready? Steady? Go. Run, buddy, run.
Why?
Raining. Oh, you put that under your shirt. Under your shirt, you know, goose under it, so it doesn't get wet. All right. What you got, buddy?
I like the little pocket for it.
Thanks. This is actually a magnetic bag. So when the bell is in the bag, it doesn't make a noise. But when you take it out, it makes a noise. So that's how I can walk and have it be a little bit more quiet sometimes.
Look at how we wore this area when we were sledding. That led to a different grasp taking hold in that spot than anywhere else.
Yeah, that's where we spent many sledding.
Right? Alright, so we gotta find our way up, right? I think the only way up is down. I think this is now closed.
Yeah, I think so. This is a fun way. We haven't done this in a while.
The only way up is down.
The only way up.
Do you guys see any of the white pines? Uh-oh. I see one.
I see one.
But he's dead.
I see this guy, he's alive.
All right, here we go. I think it's much wetter here than we
Yeah.
thought.
Which might not be the worst thing for them, but
Here's one. He's not looking too
not
good.
looking great. There's one, he's looking okay. Okay,
Oh yeah,
we're doing okay. Look at the center
he's
median
looking
here.
good actually. He's looking real good. Yeah, that's crazy. What is that?
All that junk that grows? I don't know. It's whatever this stuff is. Same stuff. It's got kind of a blue tint to it.
Yeah.
It's
Could
the
be
same
milkweed.
thing as in the meadow.
You think?
It's got a smell to it. Smell it? Have a
Yeah.
musky- I think this guy's going to be the next one to go down. Look at this tree.
This big one?
Yeah, look at it.
It's completely covered. It's dead.
Yeah.
Do you see
Yep.
inside is dead? It's huge. Oh, no, no.
I don't think it makes the house, but
I think it might. It takes out the power lines.
oh, going that way?
Yeah.
It's coming this way.
Yeah.
Good news, bad news. See how it's see like where all the mass is on what side it is? It's gonna come right down here. Yeah, he's not doing great. Between the vines and rot.
Yeah.
Look at all that rot.
See all the moss growing on it?
Yeah. Alright, well. Look at the size of that thing.
It's huge.
Makes this one look like nothing.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not pushing anything. Hold on, I'll help you first, buddy.
I don't know your phone. Okay, I got it.
There you go. Good job.
This shed is the size of me.
It is very, very wet. Careful where you walk because it's very slippery, okay, Levy? This is also the rocky part.
Get caught by this.
This is gorgeous. This is a good spot, don't you think?
Like right here?
For the next one? Yeah.
Yeah. You want to do autos again? Like right back where we were?
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, I think this whole area is
This
cool.
is very cool. We don't have anything like this.
Yeah, you're right.
And there's a lot of trails that are still used. It's not like the rest of the forest where there's like one trail that remains.
Yeah, look up it. You can see the ledges that are all the trails. Right?
Yeah.
I think we could get a good, maybe downward aim too, where we could catch anything moving on the hill.
Yeah,
One of
that'd be
those good
great.
ones. Right?
Is it just a bell or is it a special kind of bell?
It's just a bell that kind of says, people are coming. It's okay. You okay, Ab?
Yeah, I'm nervous.
Okay, let's hold hands.
I don't see any purple blazes.
I think the trees are all wet.
See? Purple blaze.
Oh, there you go.
I see purple blazes, Daddy.
Good job.
Those are people on our team.
It's true.
Like playing baseball. Or football. Football. probably done that. So who's doing the trail cam?
I think Daddy is.
They don't see your pinky tails.
So cute. Whoa. That's serious.
Bolt with a cotta pin. Looks like it would have come off the trailer hitch. Something you would want to have move around a little bit.
Yeah, I'd imagine if you took something up this, it would lose some parts. This is quite steep.
Rare.
Oh, beautiful, Abby. Good job, buddy.
Fine. So we see what we got from some cameras, right? Do you see all of them? Would you like to go all the way up to Poconos and then see?
Yeah.
Up for that, Daddy?
What's that?
Going up a little bit to the top.
Yeah.
And then sit down where we always sit.
We have
Well,
our oranges.
Yeah.
I don't know if we can sit.
Duck?
Hmm?
Big duck quacking?
How's our toad? Let's see him.
I think he moved on.
Oh, poor guy. Why do animals move on?
What do you mean?
Why do animals move on?
Like they go live somewhere else.
They hate this place?
No, buddy. It's like, do you sit on the couch? Or do you sometimes play at your desk? Or you sometimes play at the...
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, sometimes the frog is hanging out there. Sometimes he wants to be in his bedroom. Sometimes he wants to be in the living room. Kitchen. He's like, you know...
How's that look? About where we had it?
Yep, that looks right.
Cool. All right.
Yep. Perfect.
All right. Cool.
Whoop, whoop.
Good?
Yeah, don't go fast, Levy. Nice and slow this time, okay? Nice and slow this time, buddy.
Hold back, please. If I fall, I don't want to land on you, okay?
Thank you.
You didn't want to get eaten by Snoopy.
Snoopy's coming after me? Who's coming after me? Snoopy?
Snoopy is. Yep.
Snoopy?
With the pumpkin on his head and I call him Peter Pumpkinhead. Snoopy.
My oh my. I certainly don't want to get attacked by Snoopy.
Snoopy's a dog.
Not very nice.
Oh,
Calling him a dog. He's doing the best he can.
he's a dog. That's really what he is. Who cares?
Thank you.
I said we should have brought umbrellas.
I know, it's
I think we
raining
should make
so
a run
hard.
for it in this opening. Hey, mommy, run. There's an ab right behind you.